Jin Shin Jutsu. It is an ancient Japanese technique to cure underlying emotional and physical symptoms related to diseases. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about this technique. According to this technique, each finger represents organs, emotions, symptoms, and conditions that occur in our body. It is a fact that one after the other factors in our life doesn't allow us to free ourselves from stressful situations. Our body contains several energy pathways that feed life into our cells. When one or more than one pathway is blocked due to stress, our health is affected. Then what do? This Jin Shin Jutsu technique can be done anytime, anywhere. You don't need any equipment to do this. It also doesn't cost you anything. Just by stimulating the appropriate finger, you can heal several states that may be occurring to you and your body, both physically and psychologically. You just need to know which finger relates to which emotions, organs, or symptoms. For example, the thumb. The thumb is related to worry and anxiety. So whenever you're worried, what you can do is you just have to press this thumb. Press it a little harder so that you can feel the pulsation inside and just release it. Press it and release it. Another technique that you can do is you can apply a little oil and massage. You can apply any oil. I prefer coconut oil. So you have to just apply oil here, okay, and just massage this. Just massage it from all the sides. Also, you can twist it from all the sides. Okay, and massage. Twist and massage. Twist and massage. Or just hold this tight and release. Whenever you feel fearful, index finger is denoted for fear. So what you have to do, you have to just wrap your index finger and hold it for a second and release. Another technique is just twist this finger or apply oil and massage. Middle finger is for anger. No wonder why people show this middle finger whenever they are angry. The middle finger is for anger. So whenever you feel angry, you cannot control your anger, just twist this finger or massage it with oil, or just wrap your hand like this for a second and release. Ring finger is for depression and sadness. So whenever you are feeling depressed or sad, wrap your index finger like this, hold it for a second, give a little pressure, twist or apply oil and massage. Your little finger, baby finger, the pinky finger is for low self-esteem. People who have very low self-esteem can use this technique. Hold this little finger tightly, give a little pressure and release. Or else just twist this finger. Twist this finger. How do you twist it? Like this. Hold it and twist. Or apply a little oil and massage. And to calm your mind, apply a slight pressure with your thumb on the center of your palm. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Take a deep breath and say peace. Well, these days the children are also, locked up in the house because of the lockdown, and they cannot move out. So even the children, they are too anxious, they are depressed, they are sad, they are in rage always. So I would suggest that form this habit with the children also, morning, evening, or maybe morning after waking up. I'm sure everyone takes bath and applies moisturizer and oil on their hands and feet. So why not do this daily? It really helps. And in the night before going to sleep, you can massage each and every finger of the child, irrespective of any emotion that is coming up, and this is going to help in overall health. This can be done by everyone. Say for example, if your joints are paining, or maybe you're not able to massage it, I would suggest that you just hold it and just give a slight tapping on your finger. This again can help. So this technique can be done by everyone. Say for example, if in old age, or maybe if somebody is suffering from joint pain, so there is an easy way to do it, is just tap this. Just tap this finger like this daily. You won't believe how effective it is. Okay, so Jin Shin Jutsu. Use this and give me the feedback. Thank you so much.